Hello to all the employers there in Hong Kong. In front of you is Alma A. Gonzalez. I am 45 years old, married. I have 4 children, 1 boy and 3 girls. I just arrived here in the Philippines last September 22, 2025 from Qatar. In Qatar, I work for only one family. When I arrived, my madam was still pregnant. After 4 months, she gave birth to baby girl. From then, I took care of the baby. Then, after 1 year, she gave birth again with baby boy. I take care of babies. I change their diaper, take them to bath, preparing their milk, cooking their food. All the necessary things for the baby, I took care. I do clean the house, cooking, washing dishes, and laundry. I am willing to learn the Hong Kong dishes. I am hardworking, patient, willing to follow instruction, and willing to learn. Hope you will consider my application. Thank you, sir, ma'am. Have a good day.